Hey everyone, today we'll be talking about carnivorous plants and where to find them. Let's botanize. Surprisingly, in the North Temperate region, we have a handful of native carnivorous plants. Today, we found 3 species. We have Drosera, or Sundews, Sarracenia, or pitcher plants, and a really weird one, Utricularia, or Bladderwort. Each of these species is in a different taxonomic order, but it's no coincidence that they're growing in the same place. We found these species growing in a bog, which is a waterlogged environment with low pH and generally nutrient-poor soils. And it's this low nutrient availability that makes a bog well-suited for carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants supplement the uptake of nutrients like nitrogen through the consumption of small animals, generally invertebrates. Because each of these species are in different taxonomic orders, and because their mode of capture is fundamentally different, we can be pretty certain that carnivory evolved independently in each of these lineages. For instance, the sundew has these heavily modified trichomes or epidermal outgrowths on the leaves. These are gland-tipped and very sticky, and they serve as a fly trap. When flies hit this leaf, they get stuck, and then the leaf curls up around them and secretes digestive enzymes. Then the leaf absorbs the nutrients from that digested insect. Meanwhile, the bladderwort is covered in these heavily specialized structures which we call bladders. These are chambers with a hair-like trigger on the outside. When aquatic invertebrates brush up against that trigger, the chamber opens, thus sucking them in through a negative pressure system, where they're then trapped and digested. Finally, the pitcher plant has a passive trapping mechanism. Its leaves are rolled up into these pitchers with digestive fluids at the base. As insects and other small animals crawl around the lip, they slide down, thus getting trapped at the bottom and then digested. While today we've only shown you 3 species of carnivorous plants, carnivory has evolved multiple times in various distinct angiosperm lineages. And carnivorous plants are found all over the world. The consistent theme is that carnivorous plants thrive in nutrient-poor habitats.